Yeah, just to know, guys, if you guys are taking the boats out, um, this is a 95. I mean, these go up to 2010, I think. But if your boats are rusted, you guys want to use PP Blaster and just blast these and just take it real slow. I had one of the boats snap off. One boat snapped off. I took three of them out. So I think one boat snapping off is not it's not a big deal because I have three boats. I'm gonna PB blast these as much as I can before I set them back in. But yeah, just be sure these are long boats and they'll snap on you. They'll definitely snap on you guys. I was gonna maybe heat it up, but with a torch or whatever. But I didn't feel like doing it. I mean, but the boat that snapped off was this boat right here, and it's kind of hard to get to considering you got all these rubber lines right here. But I got lucky. Well, I got lucky, but one of the boats did snap off, but I did get lucky. So once it snapped off, this is on pretty tight. You're gonna want to get like a crowbar to take this off, or maybe like hit it with a hammer or something like that, since you're not gonna be using the compressor anymore. But once you take it off, you can take the two lines off.